Now I'm gonna start to talk about if we are looking at the draw menu, the other options that we have here is the circle and the arc. So I'm gonna talk about how we draw a circle and how we draw the arc. If you click on circle, there is a drop down menu beneath that. If you click on that, it will give you a couple of options that you can actually use to draw a circle. So usually we use these first two options. So the first option is that um, you define the center and the radius, and the second option is that you define the center and the diameter of the circle you want to draw. So as soon as I click on this one, as soon as I click on this one, you will see in the command window is going to ask you to define the center. So you can click anywhere that you want to be center, or you can actually uh, uh, enter the center that you want in that any location that you want. So assume I want to start the center from this location, I'll just click there, and then by moving my mouse it's going to tell me that what's going to be the radius of that. So I can move my mouse and anywhere that I want it, so I click it, and then I have my circle is going to be there. Now assume again, so this is just by using the mouse. So by using mouse, you click the circle, select the center, move your mouse, and select the radius. As I said, we can enter the values as well. So for example, if I click here and here, assume I want to start from 50 and 50, so insert 50 and 50, and then I need to zoom in so you can see it. So it's going to be a 50 and 50, and then it says, okay, what's going to be the radius. So if I move in, so it's going to, for example, I want the radius be 25, enter 25. So it's going to have that 25 as well. So this is we can do that this way. Similar to that, we can do it from also from with the center and diameter. If I click on the next one, and then again it's going to ask me define the center. So assume this one I want to start from 100 and 100. So my in there 100, click tab, press tab 100, and press enter. So it's going to be my center, and then I can define the radius and distance. So my radius I want to be 30, so I enter 30, and enter is going to be there. This time this is the diameter that I insert as one more time. So I click it, press enter, and then look at it. When I move my mouse, this time it asks me to enter the diameter of the circle. So either with the radius or with the diameter, we can create a circle. So there are also, we can use the 2 points or 3 points or the other options here. Usually the one we most likely use the most is the one that we use the center and the radius for drawing a circle.